Hey there, if you're looking for affordable vocational schools that offer high-quality training in fields like engineering, IT, healthcare, business, and skilled trades, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 10 of the cheapest vocational schools in Europe and Africa that offer top-notch education at budget-friendly prices. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss content like this. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Berufliche Schule City SD. Location: Hamburg, Germany. Programs offered: business administration, IT, engineering, healthcare, electrical technology. Why it's affordable? Fully funded by the German government. Students may also receive stipends during apprenticeships. Why choose Berufliche Schule City SD? Germany's vocational education system, known as Berufsschule, is world-renowned for combining classroom learning with hands-on work experience. Berufliche Schule City SD is one of the top institutions, offering practical, job-oriented education in various fields, such as business management, IT, healthcare, and engineering. Students are placed in dual education programs, which means they split their time between learning at school and working for companies. This ensures real-world experience, making graduates highly employable upon completion. Completely free tuition for both German and international students. Students in the dual apprenticeship system earn a monthly stipend ranging from $500 to $1,200, helping cover living costs. Additional scholarships and subsidized student housing are available for international students. Germany has a high demand for skilled workers, particularly in technical fields like mechanical engineering, IT, and electrical technology. Graduates from Berufliche Schule City SD often secure jobs in leading German companies such as Siemens, Volkswagen, and Bosch, with high starting salaries. Number 2. CIFP Ciudad de Béjar. Location: Béjar, Spain. Programs offered: mechanics, electronics, renewable energy, IT. Why it's affordable? Government funded, plus Erasmus Plus scholarships for international students. Why choose CIFP Ciudad de Béjar? Spain is investing heavily in technical education, and CIFP Ciudad de Béjar is one of its top public vocational schools, specializing in engineering and renewable energy training. Completely free tuition, no fees for EU students, and affordable rates for non-EU students. High-tech training facilities students learn in modern labs and workshops equipped with the latest technology. Scholarships available. International students can apply for Erasmus Plus funding, covering travel, accommodation, and other costs. Internships and work placements. The school collaborates with leading Spanish and European tech companies. Spain is becoming a hub for renewable energy and electronics, and CIFP Ciudad de Béjar graduates are in high demand. Companies in solar energy, wind power, and IT actively recruit from this school. Number 3. Majuba TVET College. Location: Newcastle, South Africa. Programs offered: engineering, business studies, information technology, and more. Why it's affordable? Publicly funded TVET institution with government subsidies. Majuba TVET College is one of the largest technical and vocational education and training institutions in South Africa, known for its strong emphasis on practical skills. It serves as a bridge for students seeking hands-on training in fields like engineering and business. The South African government funds TVET colleges, significantly lowering tuition fees. Additionally, students from low-income backgrounds can apply for NSFAS National Student Financial Aid Scheme, which covers tuition, accommodation, and even living expenses. One of the biggest advantages of studying at Majuba TVET College is its strong industry partnerships. Many programs include apprenticeships with major companies in South Africa, helping students transition smoothly into the workforce. Number 4. Kenya Institute of Management. Location: Nairobi, Kenya. Programs offered: business management, project management, human resource management, entrepreneurship. Why it's affordable: low tuition fees and various scholarship opportunities. Kenya Institute of Management is a highly respected vocational institution, specializing in business and leadership training. It provides practical, hands-on education tailored to meet industry demands, making it an excellent option for students who want to enter management roles without pursuing a full university degree. KIM offers flexible tuition payment plans and scholarships for outstanding students. Additionally, the Kenyan government supports vocational education by offering low-interest education loans to help students cover tuition fees. With Kenya being an economic hub in East Africa, graduates from KIM find employment in sectors such as banking, hospitality, and entrepreneurship. The school's strong ties to industry leaders ensure that students get real-world exposure before they graduate. Number 5. WAF's Vocational Schools. Location: various locations in West Africa. Programs offered: automotive repair, welding, computer literacy, English language. Why it's affordable: supported by donors and partnerships. The West African vocational schools are non-profit institutions dedicated to equipping students with practical job skills. These schools operate in regions where vocational training is often expensive or inaccessible, making them a lifeline for young professionals. Unlike traditional schools, WAFs relies on donor funding, corporate sponsorships, and partnerships to keep tuition fees low. Many students attend for free or at heavily subsidized rates. Why employers prefer WAFs graduates? Graduates from WAFs are highly employable because the programs focus on high-demand technical skills like welding, automotive repair, and IT. Employers appreciate the practical experience students gain during their training, making them more job-ready than many university graduates. Number 6. Free vocational training programs. Location: various cities in France. Programs offered: culinary arts, fashion design, automotive technology, and more. Average tuition cost: free. Why it's affordable: government-funded and scholarships available. France is known for its high-quality vocational education system, offering free training programs in fields such as fashion, culinary arts, and automotive technology. Many of these programs are supported by the French government and the European Union to ensure accessibility. Vocational schools in France integrate real-world experience with classroom learning. For example, students in culinary arts programs work directly in top-rated restaurants, while fashion design students collaborate with leading brands. Graduates from French vocational schools often land jobs quickly due to the strong demand for skilled professionals. France's culinary industry, for example, is one of the largest in the world, offering graduates opportunities in fine dining, baking, and hospitality. Number 7. Helsinki Vocational College. Location: Helsinki, Finland. Programs offered: healthcare, IT, construction, beauty and wellness. Why it's affordable: fully government-funded for EU students. Finland's education system is one of the best in the world, and this school offers high-quality vocational training for little to no cost. Benefits of studying here: free tuition for EU students, government-funded education, top-notch facilities, state-of-the-art labs, and training centers. Work placement programs: over 80% of students get job placements during training. English courses: many programs are available in English. Finland has a strong economy with high-paying jobs in IT, healthcare, and skilled trades. Most graduates get hired immediately after finishing their programs. Number 8. Kenya Institute of Management. Location: Nairobi, Kenya. Programs offered: business management, project management, human resources. Why it's affordable: supported by the Kenyan government and private partnerships. KIM is Africa's leading vocational school for business training, helping students develop skills needed in top industries. What makes KIM a great choice? Affordable tuition, lower fees compared to private universities. Globally recognized certification diplomas are highly valued across Africa. Internship and job placement, strong connections with African businesses. KIM graduates work in corporate management, finance, and entrepreneurship, making it ideal for business-minded students. Number 9. Bratislava Vocational School of Electrical Engineering. Location: Bratislava, Slovakia. Programs offered: electrical engineering, IT, automation. Average tuition cost: free for EU students, low for non-EU students. Why it's affordable? State-funded for EU students. With Slovakia's booming tech industry, graduates from this school are in high demand across Europe. Number 10. Norwegian Vocational Schools. Location: multiple locations, Norway. Programs offered: construction, marine engineering, healthcare. Average tuition cost: completely free. Why it's affordable? Fully funded by the Norwegian government. Norway offers tuition-free education and has one of the highest wages in Europe for skilled workers. Graduates easily find high-paying jobs in construction, shipbuilding, and healthcare, making this a fantastic opportunity for students worldwide. These institutions provide world-class vocational education at little to no cost, making them an excellent choice for students seeking affordable, high-quality training. And that's our list. Which school interests you the most? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and share for more awesome content.